There, I started now.
So this is for revving up in neutral. And when you push the key in, this engine doesn't have a choke, but when you push the key in, it squirts fuel in. So this is a cold start. And you can tell that because it's gonna be smoky. And it'll get a, so I'm gonna lift this up a little bit and then turn this. Once it warms up,
Oh my god.
set this all the way down. And now you're ready to go.
Okay, we're done?
That's it.
Okay.
Alright, so we're backing away from the ramp now. I'm going to turn around and then we'll go full throttle. This engine doesn't like to idle if it's trimmed all the way down. So you can see now I have it trimmed up and it'll idle fine. But if I trim down, then it'll start to die. So just leave it right about there. And then once I start going, then I can trim down.